The scale constraint in Maya works exactly like every other kind of constraint in Maya. The only difference is that it only affects the scale of an object. So I want to constrain this super shape to the cube shape I have in Maya. So first things I need to do is select the cube shape, then select the super shape. I'll go over to the constraint menu and then click on scale. Within this channel box, which I'm going to click and open, I'll say maintain offset and then click apply. If I don't turn on maintain offset, this is going to automatically snap to the scale of this object. You can use the weight slider to influence how much you want it to be constrained, and if you're done with what you want to create, simply click apply. And now you'll notice that the scale of this object is now constrained. Now if I go ahead and scale this, you see that the super solid shape constrains to what the box or the cube does. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.